Exploring out here at Yellow Creek with my hubby. It's beautiful. For anybody that hasn't, I suggest like you take the side way through the field, you know, where they play the frisbee golf and stuff. So it is really pretty, and I know most everybody just takes the regular path. But that path I just took was absolutely beautiful. We thought we weren't going to get in here because they had the whole thing blocked off, but it's only blocked off to cars. So we checked. Trying to find a safe way to get down into the bank to look for some quartz rocks.
Or something. We're just going to poke at dirt.
Poke at dirt. Yeah, have fun. Poking at dirt. I want to find some quartz rocks, but that's alright. We're just here for the fun of it.
They're not super common.
Well, honey, we used to find them all the time. I've got big ones that we've found and broken open. Wow, y'all, look. I mean, yeah, there's a sock in there, but they got this thing pretty cleaned up. I'm so happy to see that because usually it is so fucking disgusting. It just makes me mad. This is awesome. They've cleaned up so much. I'm so happy. This is like my favorite park in all of Owensboro is Yellow Creek. They took the bridge down. I guess too many people graffitied inside. I don't know. I kind of liked it. It had some character. They were what? Josna says people were probably doing it. Ew, he's probably right. Oh, it's so hot today, y'all. Oh my goodness. It is so very hot. Dirt. Dirt.
Come on, have some fun with it.